Hi, this is Sam from Potsoul, and today I'll show you how to make my favorite recipe. It's called Potcorn. It's popcorn with pot. So either for a nice movie night, or if you want to be the star of the show and when you bring this over to a friend's house, it's gonna be amazing, you'll see. So first step, you want to have some kernels, some butter. You just drop some butter in the pot, and then when the butter is all melted, you're ready for pop. So you just throw the kernel in it. So we're waiting for the butter to melt, and so now the popcorn is ready. Everything has been popped. The last pop has been heard. So we're ready to pour it in. Great, that looks amazing. Put a little bit of salt, just a little bit to be healthy. Might need more salt a bit. And pour just a little bit more butter. And we're ready to eat it.